Right. Where is this? Is this Japan or China? Take a look. Japan. Sagano Bamboo Forest. Very nice. All right. Wrong category. This is software. All right. So we will do this. Okay, so we have to broke this into different integer and sum is the max, right? So I guess we can do this equal 10, right? So let's say we have 9, we can do plus 1, right? And that will give us to 10, right? So that means the maximum number that we approach this from a bottom up approach. So like let's say like you split 10 to like each of the depth we have 1 2 3 4 5, right? 8 9, right? 10, right? So this means that your value, if you land in 10, gonna be x multiplied by 1. Let's do b multiplied by 1, right? So let's say you land on 8, right? You have a couple options. 9 equal 9 plus 1, right? And then you have 8 plus 2 equal 10 already, right? Right. So this give us 8. We should take so it is 9, right? We ended up with p, right? Whatever the p is multiplied by whatever number in 9, right? So p 1 multiplied by 1, right? Okay, hold on. So basically this give you 1, right? So if you end up here, it's gonna be multiplied by 1, right? So if 8, then you're gonna multiply with 1, multiply by the 9 there, which is 1, go to 1, right? So this is 1 1. This give us 2, right? So that means out of all these we get 2 win, right? So whatever p multiplied by 2 or get 82, right? So now we do 7. Again, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is better, right? So yeah, 8 plus 1 plus 2, right? So because 1 multiplied by 1 is less than 2, so it's gonna be 10 already, right? So this give you this give you 1 multiplied by 2 or 2, right? And then there's also plus 2 to 9, right? And we know that 9 can just plus 1, right? So this give you 10 as well, right? And this become 2 divided by 1 or 2. So then we take the max of this, we got the, so if somehow we landed on 7, right? We will get 2, right? 2 is like the path from 7 to whatever, right? So now we have back to 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7, right? We know that to get to 7 to 10, you will have what? 1 multiplied by 2, right? So we take this path right here. So 2, this is actually 2, 1, yeah. 7 plus 2, yeah. 9 plus 1, right? This is actually 1 multiplied by 2, right? Let's go to 2. So 2 here equal to 8, right? We know that to get to 10 from 8, we got 2. So that will be 1 multiplied by 2 equal 2. Also, plus 3, right? Wait, hold on. One thing is wrong here. Yeah, so, no. This is 1 multiplied by 2, yeah. So this is actually 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, right? Because you take the 2 here, and you multiply with the max here, which is 8 here, will be 2, right? So we can also do 9. In order for 9 to get to 10, you got 3. 9 is 1, right? So this become 3, right? Go. So I guess we keep doing this until somehow we get to the answer here, right? So, oh, you can also do 4, right? To get to 10. And right here. So that will be 4, just 4, right? It's gonna be 4. So then out of these, we actually know that b multiplied by 4 or 6 will have 4, right? Here we go. And then now we do 5, do the same thing. So this give you 6. 6 is actually give you 4, right? So 1 multiplied by 4 equal to 4. Plus 2 will be 7. So in order for 7, what do we know for 7? 7 is 2. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Right? 3 is 8. So in order for that to work, we will have 3 multiplied by, what is 8? So 8 is 2. Wait, hold on. This is not 2. This is 2 multiplied by 7 is 2, right? So this is 2. This is 4. So 4 here. We will have 4 here. Right? Multiply by 9 will give us 1, right? This is 1. So the winning here is 3. Right? 6. Right? So 5 is 6. Right? So now we have 6. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So we know that in order for us to get to 10, this will be 1, right? Multiply by 5 is 6 equal to 6. This give me 6. So this will be 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 6 here as well. 5, 6, 4, right? Gonna be 8, right? Plus 3 equal to 7. And gonna be 3, right? Multiply by 7 there, we see that is 2 is 6, right? Plus 4 here gonna be 8. So that means 4 multiplied by the max of 8 here, 2 equal to 8, right? 5 equal to 9, right? This will give us 5 multiplied by 1 there. It's 1, 5. Okay. 6 equal to 10. This is equal to 10 already. Mean we have 6 multiplied by, oh, it's just gonna be 6. Gonna be 6. So this give us b multiplied by 8, or basically if we add 4, we want to pick the max at 4 is to be 8, right? So then we got 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So in order for us to go to 10, our value gonna be 1 multiplied by 8, right? Yeah, that'll be 8. Okay, plus 2 gonna be what, 5. So this give us 2 multiplied with 5 here is 6, 12, right? 3 is 6 here, right? Go to 10, right? So this gonna give us 3 multiplied by what? 6 is 6, and it'll be 18 here. So keep 7. In order for us to get to 10, it could be 4 multiplied by 7. What do we have for 7? 2, right? Be 8. Fly is 8. So this, right? This is gonna give us 5 multiplied with 8. 8 is 2. 10. 6 for 9. So 9 will give us 8, right? So this is 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6. 7. This already be equal to 10. So that's gonna be just 7. So out of this, we would pick this. So if you somehow your product ended up at 3, current product, you will pick 80. So 380, right? Because we would have 3 here, and right, let me see if we did correct. So like for example, 3 plus 1 is 4. We know 4, we would pick 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 6 here is 4, 8, right? So look like 3 plus 3 is 6. 6, the best one would be 4 here, right? So like 3 3 6, right? So oh wait, yeah, right here, 4, that's 12, right? And I guess this is the answer, right? You have 12 multiplied by 3 is 36, right? So we do this similar thing right here. Like once we get that, the overlapping will be high, right? So let's see if we can do that. So that means we would have what we call this num 0 0 to n, right? So n can be, we didn't pick 0, right? So that means n minus 1. We only ever start from 1, right? So I mean we loop from the back here, right? The okay. So y is greater than 0 because we don't think exclude 0, right? N minus 1, right? So for example, we have the num here. So we want to, so we start at this number. We need to get the max of, okay, so now we loop, right, for j in range of, right, 1 to nums I, right? Yeah, plus 1, right? So we say if j plus nums I is equal to n, right? So like we have 9 here, right? So we found only 1 here, right? So basically nums I will be the max of that, right? So it will be, we call this max num, right? So I guess as soon as we loop to this, we would have an answer here. Okay. Return an answer here, right? So basically n is equal to max of n's and whatever the num I here, right? Okay, so now we go back to this. We say that this would give us 9 is 1, right? So that is 1, right? So basically the product is equal 1, right? And basically product gonna multiply this, right? Product So hold on. Um, so we want to know when we add 8, right? We're gonna loop from 1 to uh from 1 to whatever, right? To what do we do? We'll loop from 1 to that number, right? And we want to say that, okay, if the num of the 9 here, right? So if first we gotta say that if num, so this is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, right? Right, so that's gonna be 1 here, right? And we want to say that if 1, if if num plus the number is in, right? So basically nums of j plus the j, if num plus j, right, is it has something that is not equal to 0, because we initialize them to be 0 here, right? So do this consistently. So in this case we know that if the result of this is not 0, right? If the result of j plus num, j plus okay, plus num j. So no, if j plus, okay, so this number is, hold on, we want to start at 9 here, right? So at the back, so that is the I. If j plus I, basically, okay, equal to n. That's the first thing we need to satisfy. So like for example, for this case right here, then the product gonna be this one, right? So it's gonna take a lot of time just welding out their structure here. Hold on. So j here is number 1, right? Plus this equal to that. And that means we found the sum, the sum to the number, in this case 10, right? So then that is when we want to multiply the product, right? So basically product, so basically we found that nums of, what is it, of num of I equal to max of current nums I and product multiplied by, what is it, j, right? Yeah, something like that. Okay, so let's look through our case here. So we have, start with 9, I is 9 here, so 9 plus 1 equals 10. Good. Then that means num at 9 gonna be 0, markup 0, and 1 multiplied by 9. Okay, 1 multiplied by 1 here, right? And everything else would not do anything because it make 9 plus that number overflow not equal to 10, right? So then we first has um right, so yeah, so or do we still have to start at the number here? If we start at 9, then gonna be 9 multiplied by 1, right? But we don't know the product, right? The starting product gonna be whatever, right? Right, okay, so let's go through this to make sure we have this set up first. So 8, we start at 8, so I minus 1, I could be 8. So we say that, so we wanna evaluate this case if nums of, if we want to check if j plus I equal that. So like if 8 plus 1 here is not equal to that, but we want them because we found the value in that before, right? Right, so 8 plus 9, so 8 plus 2, 8, 16, right? So this is somehow give us, hold on, 2 multiplied by 8 equals 16, right? So this is 9 multiplied by 1 equal 9, right? Right, so after the first loop here we have 9, 9, 8, 16, right? So whatever, oh okay, so basically after we have this we want to loop once more to do the multiply, but that we'll figure that out later. So um okay, so when we got an 8, right, we also loop from 1 to whatever this is, right? If now if 8 plus 1, and then if we found the number before, right? So if this case is for the 9 case, and for the 8 case here we need to add another condition here. If in this case 8 plus 1, so I here is 8. So for example, I need to remind myself I equal 8 and j equal 1, right? So these give us I plus j is 9, right? Or nums of I plus j is not equal to 0, right? So that means we found the value before, right? So in this case 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 give us 1, right? So in that case elif maybe we do another ellipse and then we'll unify them later, right? So it's not equal 0 mean that we also then num sub I gonna be max up num sub I, and what do we do here? It's gonna be whatever the j here, product multiplied by j, right? Is that correct? Okay, which is similar to this, right? So let's just let them separate for now, right? So then j gonna become 2 plus 8 equal 10. Okay, so that's gonna be product here gonna be what, 2, right? So 2, oh j multiplied by 1, 2, yeah. So why don't we, instead of having this product, can we just put j, because 2, right? This is 1, 2, right? So it's gonna be j, and we do one more time for 6. So 6, okay, 7, right? So we go here, let's just print out the value after and see if it's correct. The num, right? For case 2, wait, 0, bruh. J plus I. Let's see if we did it correct, right? So we started at, let's do some printing, and we basically print j plus I, right? And also we should print the num plus j, and to the loop we do this. More. Oh. So this should be I plus 1, not num. Right? And take out of range. So we look at 8. Oh, this is actually n, right? Should be n. Let's start from 0. Right, what is it? Standard out to 0. Okay. Let me just print this. Let's go here. We started at number 9. What is ij here? Print j, right? Right, j gonna go 9 1 2, so we just ever gonna go up, right? So really what we just gonna go through is we go from right. So we start at 9. The only time we can go to is we can go to we should go from 1 to 10 minus 9, right? So 9 can only go to, so 9 can go only to 1. That means 10 minus n minus I plus 1. N minus 9, n minus I plus 1, right? This 10 minus 9 is 1 plus 1, so that it can go to 1, right? So 10 minus 8 is 2. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. So case 2 here, we got, what does the array give? So 9 is 1, good. 8 is 2. 7 is 3, okay. 7 is wrong somehow. Right? 7, 9, 8, 7, 6. 6 is 4, which is correct. 5 is 6. And 4 is 8. We did somehow did wrong. Yeah, right, okay. So let's check why it is wrong. So basically we can print out so we got 10, we got 9 and 10, right? Which is basically we can print j here, right? Why not? So like so 9 can go from 1, 8 go 1 2, 7 go 1 2 3 go, 6 go to 1 2 3 4 5, 5 go to 5, 4 go to 1 2 3 4 5 6, good. 3, okay, 2, and 1 go all the way to 9, right? Okay, good. So what is wrong here in terms of the array, right? So we said that if j here is 1 plus this number, j plus I equal to 10, right? So we want to print the case here. J plus I equal to n. And in here, maybe we did something wrong. This is nums of I plus j, right? Run. Okay. So case 1, j plus I, okay, j plus I, which is 9 plus 1. we go to 8, we got the case where, so 1 will be, so like num of I plus j, right? So basically 8 plus 1, we found them, right? We found the case where um we cast the value before, so this gonna make it become num I gonna be max of num I and j. So what is num I here, right? The current num I, we print them out, and the after num I, right? This. Okay, so it gives us 1. 9 is 1, good. So I plus j equals 0, okay? So this is the case where num of I, this case, okay? So num I gonna be max of num i's, and okay, so this is nums of I plus j, right? Zero and that, no, 0 and, okay, so we need to take a look at nums of I plus j. Runtime error. Oh, okay, so for the 8, finally we get 2, right? I think this might should be it, and we got 1 2 1 2, and the 7 is still wrong, right? The 7 is still wrong, right? Let's look at 7. Okay, 7 is here. So 7 basically plus 1, so it's going to be 1 multiplied by 2, so give us 2, right? And oh, plus 3 here. Oh, we forgot the plus 3 here, guys. Sorry, plus 3 means 3. Okay, so this is actually 3 here. So 7 actually 3. Right, so 6 here. We need to reconsider them. Okay, it's nice because this is actually, 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 here, right? So 9 is 1, 8 is what? 8 is 2, right? 7 is 3, right? So yeah, 6, let's take a look at 6. 6 final number is 4, good. 5, oh, we missed the 5 here, guys. 5 has to be plus 5 here. So that gives us 5 equal 5 here. So we still pick 6, right? Okay, so what ends up happening? So 9 is 1, good. 8 is 2, 7 is 3, good. 6 is 4. 6 is 4, right? 6 is 4, yeah. And 6 is 4. And 5 is 6. Why is 5 6 here, right? Oh, I see. Wrong here. So 3 multiplied by... Oh, okay. If I found the j here, it's going to be j multiplied by whatever the number this gives. Right? So it's going to be j. Okay, j multiplied by... Oh, this is j, but this is actually j multiplied by that, right? Because if we found the case here, right, it's gonna be this number j, this is j, multiplied by whatever this give, right? So let's run them and see what we print. Okay. Okay, 9 8. What is it? 9 8, it's 2. 7 is 3. Okay. 6 is 4, good. 5 is 6. Okay. 5 is 6. 4 is 8 here. Okay, let me see. Did we miss some case? So, okay, all right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay, so why is number 4 wrong here? 4 here, maybe we did some wrong calculation. 1 multiplied by 6, good. 2 multiplied by 6 is what? 4, okay, that's 8. Hello? What is this? So y is 1, 2, 3, 4 is 9 instead of 8. So, okay. So this is 1 multiplied by 6, good. 2 multiplied by 4, 8, good. Where am I from? What does it matter? In the United States? Where are you from? Well, let me go back to this and focus on this. Wait, where are we? Oh, you from Italy? How's Italy? How's it going? Is that Italy or did I read it wrong? Oh, Italy, yeah. What time is it in Italy right now? It's 2 a.m., bro. You go to sleep, bro. Italy, go to sleep. What's that? What's that? Is that dormire in Italian? It's also the same thing. Sleep, yes. Sleep. It's Too early, bro. Um. But yeah. Yeah. Go to sleep. Thank you for hanging out, though. Let me subscribe to your channel. What did you do? Domire. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let me go to your channel and see what kind of cool stuff you do. Oh, you play Rocket League? Cool, sir. Awesome. Look. Oh, I'm doing some lead code for like just practice programming. Uh, cool stuff you doing here. Some game stuff. I don't understand any of these. Canale. Subscribe to this channel. Xbox Live. Oh, looks cool, sir. Segui, segui, segui. Okay. Cool stuff, sir. Awesome channel. Unisword. Did who Juventus lost or something? It's like 11 months ago. Yeah, do lead code. I'm suck at it, but I'm just keep doing. Isn't there? Do you know this guy, Davey 540? This guy is very awesome, isn't he? Is Davey 504 Italian? Yeah, Davey 54. Check the bass, bruh. Slap the bass. Oh, he's fan of Juventus? Oh. Yeah, he's a very chill dude. But cool, yeah. Thanks for hanging out. I think you should go to sleep. It's 2 a.m., sir. I hope there's Juventus win or something. Galatasaray. It's a playoff tomorrow. Okay, hopefully they win tomorrow, okay? Juventus and Galatasaray. My dad is not into, I'm not a sport person, but my dad is. I think he like Champion League better than no, not Champion League, like whatever the British one. What's that? He liked that better than the Italian league. I forgot the Italian league called Italian. Oh, Serie A, yeah. Was that there's Serie A, there's Bundesliga, and what was the German one? What was the German league is? Oh, the Bundesliga is the German league, right? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. But cool, I hope Juventus win tomorrow or something. Need a Mira Lekoto to pass. Premier League, yes. Sorry, yeah, my bad. No, yeah, I have no tip. Just do it. I guess. And I think there's this website called Neatcode is pretty cool, but I haven't got to Neatcode yet. Oh, Twitch people. I was responding to YouTube people. Yeah. Let's check out some videos. Uh, Sunday you got Roma. You against Roma. Was that the only thing I know? Is I think in Roma they have the Totti, right? Francesco Totti. Like when I was a kid, when Roma was winning the something, like, they stripped naked or something, and then they got fraud for it. AS Roma, right? Uh, I don't want to search it, but I think that's when I was a kid. Everyone's booing. Was that versus AC Milan or something during Totti? Yeah, this is when I watch it. I think I don't know. This is 3-0. In the last year, Juventus is not doing well. Uh, Wait, Cristiano Ronaldo is in Juventus at some point. Oh, from 2018 to 2021. Wow. Oh, Buffon. I think I know Buffon. Juventus best players. Del Piero. Oh, they got Buffon. I thought Buffon was English, but yes, I think he used to do Chelsea, right? Buffon Chelsea, right? And then Chelsea basically crap now. Oh no, I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm wrong. Where does Buffon play for? Paris Saint Germain. Okay. Did he play for French from 2018, 2019? Uh, Platini, I don't know. Oh, Zidane. Wait, what? Zidane play for them? Really? Parma, Juventus, and PSG. Okay, PSG is pretty great. Zidane's so old now. Didn't he? Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought. He coached Real Madrid. Hmm. Zidane. Okay. Who else? Cambiaso. I don't know this guy. Yeah, I think that's cool. Yeah, I hope Juventus win tomorrow and uh, go to sleep. You can go. You should go to sleep and go to the stadium tomorrow or something. Where do they play? They play at where? What? Tomorrow location. They didn't say. Eh. Oh, Inter Milan is the top now. These four guys all at the top, right? I don't know Napoli. At what? Allianz Stadium. Yeah, just I guess you can go check it out. Let me know how it is. Make a short or something. Make YouTube short about the match tomorrow or something. So I can go watch. Uh, Allianz Stadium in Turin. Is Turin good place to check to tour? Right? Let me check out. Allianz Stadium. Check out the image map. Is right here. Is anything nearby? Oh, you in Sicily? Is that where the mafia is? I'm just kidding. Oh. So, okay. Direction from Sicily. Wow. I don't know. This is way over here. Oh, wow. Any cool thing to check out in Sicily though? Let me check out some cool photos. Oh, they got some kind of pantheon here. Look like an awesome place. It look like some cool stuff. Wow, amazing. This little island here. Wow. Awesome. If I have some time, I can check out Sicily. I have no idea. Oh, Florence is here. Rome is here. Switzerland. Yeah. Where's the Vatican? Denaro? Matteo Messina Denaro. He would capture Palermo after a long life undercover in Campobello di Mazzara near Castel Petrano. Wow. I only look at I think um Italy because of a Golden Wind, right? Golden Wind, Jojo. If you know this thing, he has an episode about where they go to Italy. Uh, Italy. We can check out. And they went to Italy. Comparison of Napoli. Oh, they went to Napoli. Pretty accurate. What was the phrase they say? Arrivederci or something. Arrivederci. Goodbye until we meet again, Jojo. This is by Bussiarati. Yeah. Pretty cool. I hope to check it out someday. If I got the money, I will go. Um, but right now, no. Um, but yeah, all in all, I hope your Juventus winning. I think right now the standing is so you right now even with all this guy, right? No point. No, you need 4 points. So if you have 4 points, so you 2 wins. This guy also 2 wins. Undecided here. So I guess you need another win, right? So you have to lose here. So you basically, if you win and this guy lose, you can take their spot, Napoli, right? But if they win, then you stuck, and these guys undecided yet, Napoli and Roma, right? So yeah, look fine, I think. Oh no, that was Serie A though. The one tomorrow is the one tomorrow Champions League, right? C1, right? Okay. Says only four team go to Champions League. Okay, I see. So that mean right now the spot is these four, but it look like these two guys square, right? So Napoli gonna go against Roma next. So if you win and one of these guys lose, you take their spot, I think, right? So there's some chances. But yeah, awesome. I know in Europe, like football is kind of soccer in America. It's kind of very big, like a religion there. So yeah, Juventus. Yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for letting me know about the mafia boss as well. Oh, so tomorrow. So you lost tomorrow 5-2. So you need to guess at least 4 score, right? 4-0 or or like 6-3 or something, right? Isn't that how they count stuff? Like the number of score, right? To define if you go over, right? So that means tomorrow you need to score at least 3 points more than Galatasaray, right? Right. How many score does Juventus need to score against Galatasaray tomorrow to qualify for Champions League? Yeah, 4-0, yeah. Yeah, at least 3, right? At least 3 more than what they have. Because you lost 3 points on the away match already. In the home match already. Away match, whatever. Oh, yeah, yeah, away because they play in Turin, right? Yeah, 3-0 goal to Submarine. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, cool. I I hope they win and like let me know how it is. I'll be sure to check out the score tomorrow. And yeah, cool. Now, where are we? Okay. Let me get some water. Okay. Where are we? So we have number 4 here. Is it correct? Hmm. Number 4, the final number is 9. I'm not a sport guy in general, but I'll be down to check out from time to time. But I hope they win. Okay, 4 we got 1 and 1 multiplied by 6. 1 multiplied by 5 is 6, eh? 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, right? So we got 3. 3 is 7. 7 give us 3. So, oh, 3 multiplied by 3 here. 9. So 4 multiplied by 2, yeah. So this is actually 9. Okay, so we go to 3. We got 4 here, right? This is 9. Right. So 3 final number is 12. Good. And then 2. Oh yeah, good luck tomorrow. Sleep well. And thanks for hanging out. Have a good day. So we 2 give us 18. So we do the same. Well, let's just go to it all the way to 1 then. See, this is the cool thing with streaming. You met so many people. Sometimes it doesn't matter. If you're focusing on your study or your work, whatever, it's matter that the audience have some life story that very interesting, right? Juventus, I hope you win. Or maybe we can watch the score tomorrow. I don't know. Hey, let's get 3. Seven, 8, 9, and 10, right? So this give us 1 multiplied by, we got 3, right? 3 is 12. Multiplied by 4. 4 is 9. 18. Uh, 3 multiplied by, what is 5? 5 is 6. Also 18. Right? This is 4 multiplied by, the value of 6 here. 4. This is 16. This is 5 multiplied by, what's the value of 7? 3. This is 15. Okay. This is 6 multiplied by 8. The value of 8 is 2. 12. 7. Value of 9 is 1, right? So that 8, right? That is 8. Okay. So the max value if you end in 2 is actually, what is that, 18. 2 is 18. Right. Okay. So what do we have? Yeah. So I'm assuming this is correct. So basically this will be I multiplied by R this way. Yeah. Hopefully it passed. Right, let's see. Okay. Oh, we still print stuff. You're submitting too frequently, bruh. Okay. Submit. Here we go. Wow. It's long setup though. But this is probably O(n) of m something. N square. Right? Is there it's fine by me actually, right? Hmm. Is there a way to do better? Can we quickly know what the maximum value from this? Instead of looping at this again, right? So from 2, how do we know the max? Right? So is there a pattern here? For example, from 6 here, how do we know it's gonna be 4? Then that's gonna be great. So we favor a big number, right? So 10 minus this will give us this, right? Does that mean we always pick this? Let's confirm that. We always pick the big number, right? 10 minus, we pick this, right? So 10 minus 8 is 2, we pick this, right? So 10 minus 5, 5, do we pick 5? No, we pick 6 here. How do we quickly know? But let me commit to GitHub for now and see. We might have to come back to that later. And I probably stop soon so that I go to eat dinner. But yeah, I'm fine for now. Is it possible to know the max value? It will be, instead of looping from 1 to n minus I plus 1, right? So we can, if somehow we can get rid of this loop, right? That would be great, right? So from this number we know how to pick, right? our theory doesn't work, right? It worked for 2 and 3, right? And 8, 7, 6, right? It doesn't work for 5, right? We'll look at that tomorrow or something when we writing stuff, right? But for now, I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna call it a day, and I'll be eating dinner, and then I think I'll play some game with some friends later on. But bye for now. But it's very cool experience today. Juventus.